In this module, we will explain the concept of business intelligence. तो आइए जरा इसको समझते हैं. Now, the business intelligence is also referred to as business analytics. अब ये होता क्या है? It is a range of different applications and technologies to extract and analyze large amount of data to aid in decision making. So generally it is composed of applications and technology where you extract large amount of data so that you can make good decision making. It includes data mining, जिसके अंदर the data mining is a practice of examining large pre-existing database in order to generate new information. तो it also includes the data mining जहाँ पे आप बहुत large quantity में volume होगा, different structure होगा, वो मौजूद होगा, उसको आप extract करेंगे, analyze करेंगे for decision making. तो वो application और वो tools जो आपको help करेंगे extract और analysis के अंदर. It is often interactive and visual. There has been significant growth in the BI market in recent years. So there are many business analytics or business intelligence vendors are available who are creating the application and technology so that you can extract and analyze the information. Ab information you are talking about large data in different format, either it is structured or unstructured. Now, BI technologies are capable of handling large amount of structured data and sometimes unstructured data to develop and otherwise create new strategic business opportunities. So you need specialized tool, you need specialized application to extract and analyze in a visual format ताकि आप trends को watch कर सकें. When you are reviewing large data, तो आप एक data items को नहीं दे सकते. तो whatever the tool or the technology you are using, it must have the capability to extract and analyze large amount of data and present reports in such a way so that you can predict what is going to happen in the future. तो information की बेस पे आप बेहतर decision making कर सकते हैं और new business opportunities को भी find out कर सकते हैं. What are the general categories of business intelligence tool? First one is the spreadsheet. There are many software vendors available in the market. Those create the spreadsheets. अब अगर आप Microsoft की बात करें तो Microsoft के पास भी एक tool मौजूद है which is Microsoft Excel that can help you to analyze large data. Reporting and query software tools that extract, sort and summarize and present structured data. So if you are using other software vendor, तो there are many tools available जो large amount of data को extract करने की capability होगी. उसके साथ साथ you just don't need only extraction, you need the analysis on that specific data. तो वो tools के पास या उसके tool के अंदर क्या ऐसे features मौजूद हैं कि वो extract करने के बाद analyze करे और उसको report कर सके, visual form के अंदर उसे present कर सके. Digital dashboard, there are many companies who are creating the business analysis tool in such a way ताकि उस जो डेटा को आपने एक्सट्रैक्ट किया लार्ज डेटा को उसको डिजिटल डैशबोर्ड की फॉर्म के अंदर भी प्रेजेंट कर सके. एंड प्रोसेस विजुअलाइजेशन, तो देयर आर मेनी सॉफ्टवेयर वेंडर हु आर एक्टिवली वर्किंग इन दिस डोमेन ताकि जब आप अगर ERP सिस्टम यूज कर रहे हैं और ERP सिस्टम के अंदर पिछले 100 साल का या 50 साल का डेटा मौजूद है तो यू नीड स्पेशलाइज्ड सॉफ्टवेयर वेंडर who is creating the business intelligence tools and application ताकि आप जो ERP सिस्टम के अंदर कॉमन डेटा प्लेस पे जो डेटा पड़ा है, जो इंफॉर्मेशन पड़ी है, उसे एक्सट्रैक्ट करें और उसके बाद उसको प्रेजेंट इस फॉर्मेट के अंदर करें ताकि जो मैनेजर है उसको पढ़ के बेहतर डिसीजन मेकिंग कर सके.